What's going on, everyone? This is Paul and welcome back to a new video. Now this is the Olloclip lens system for the iPhone 10 or iPhone X, whatever you want to call it. iPhone 10. This is the system that clips onto your camera that makes it super wide angle. Now this isn't going to be the retail packaging. We've known Olloclip for a long time now. They've been out since, I can remember, iPhone 4 I think was the last one I bought. So they've been out for a long time. We know the packaging it comes in, it's white, and you can unclip it from the front here and it shows you what's inside the box. However, I ordered this online when the pre-orders went live and I picked it up in Orlando at the hotel. I've already done a video on it at Walt Disney World. If you want to check that out, I will leave it linked in the description down below for you. But let's jump in, let's take a look at what you get in the box. Obviously this isn't going to be retail packaging. It should be in the stores anytime soon. If I can get the dates for you, I'll make sure to leave it down below. But let's jump in and let's show you what you get inside the box. Okay, so on the front of the box you've got the Olloclip branding. It says at Olloclip and you can follow them on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. Olloclip.com on the bottom. Images speak louder, that's the hashtag. Let's jump in, let's see what you get inside this box. Put that to one side. There we go. So you get this little booklet, it says need help. I'll get that rest out in a minute. You get a start here guide. Check out the video tutorials, quick start guide system on how to set it up, which lens to put it on, etc. How to use it. A very cool Olloclip microfiber that says hashtags images speak louder and some buildings on the front there. That's very cool because it does smudge quite easy. I'll tell you that now, especially when you're walking about doing a few bits and pieces. Let's put that to one side. And inside here you've got the lens system with the Caribbean buckle clip on it to attach to bags or jeans, etc. You know, you just clip it on and away you go. So there we go. You've got your wide and your telephoto. What it says on this side, W and T. This is your lens. Nothing on this side, but this is for the front facing camera. You just basically clip in and pull off. Now what you've also got here is, as well as a holder for the Olloclip system, is actually a stand for your phone. So obviously if you want to sit down and watch some wide angle video you've taken, just plonk this down, sit at the coffee table and watch the video that you've taken, or movie, etc. Whatever you want to use this for, I'm sure you will find a use for it. Maybe even to take a photo, just put your lens system on and take a photo. But there we go, so if we just clip that back in, that's obviously the holder for the Olloclip lens. Now what you do is, obviously you give your lens a quick wipe over, etc. I'm not going to bother doing that because I've already made a video with it. I'm just showing you guys right now. So you just clip the clip in, attach it over, let it go, no wobble, no shake, it's clipped in and there you go. So this right here, as I said, is for the front system. It's got a clip on this front bit right here. Push that in, pull it out, spin it round, clip the bottom piece in where it's not clipped, and then push the clip in and it attaches. And now you've got your front facing selfie, wide angle. So what I'm going to do guys is I'm going to show you a few various different photos etc. that I've taken in normal and wide angle. Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. Guys, thanks so much for watching, I truly appreciate it. If you want to pick these up yourself, I'll have them linked down in the description. All the various different lenses, the telephoto, super wide, ultra wide and macro, as well as a fisheye. So be sure to check them out guys. Thanks so much for watching. Olloclip's website is also linked down below. Thanks for taking the time to watch this, I appreciate it. Drop a like, I will see you all in my next video. Take care everyone.